Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, to give me this golden opportunity. And I would like to express my gratitude to the founder of Dynamic English Academy, Dr. Anwarul Haq sir, whose ambition, gratitude, and hard work, he has created a platform where students can learn English. My friends, my name is Hakimullah, and I am a student of Dynamic English Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about something that is extremely important for your life. It is easier said than done, but doing practice is hard. Being honest with yourself. Honesty? Honesty means telling the truth not just for others, but yourself as well. A person who is honest with himself, he knows his strength, admits his mistake, and takes the responsibility for his action. Being honest with yourself means looking in the mirror, accepting who you are, your strength, your weakness, and your dreams. It is all about accepting your reality without hiding your excuses or lies. My friends, in fast moving words, many people fail to practice self honesty. When a person fails in his life, for example, when students fail in their examination, they blame their teachers. Teacher didn't teach well. They blame their society. They blame their education system. Education system is not good. And sometimes they blame their parents. They didn't provide good education. They, they didn't provide good institute. And same thing with the youth, with a human being. When they fail in their life, they blame their society, give the excuse and pointing the fingers, their circumstance and their luck. But the real question is, did they use their time in the best way? If a student asks himself, did I study properly? Did I manage my time effectively? My friends, unless you are honest with yourself, you can't be honest with others. Mahatma Gandhi once said, the hardest battle to fight within yourself. And he was right, because fighting with others, blaming to others, and give the excuse to others, and telling a lie with yourself and others is easy. It's a simple task. But fighting with your laziness, your fears, ego, it's very difficult. Practicing self-honesty is very hard. My friends, so do one thing. If you are honest with others, you can earn respect. But if you are honest with yourself, you can build character. You can grow in your life. And one thing, every day in your life, look in the mirror and ask yourself, am I being honest with myself? The moment you accept the truth, your life completely transforms. You become success at that time. And when you try, when you will practice self-honesty, your confidence level increase. Your character will be improved, and your life means your success. You can easily get the success. Your character will be improved, and you can be brighter in your life. So, my friends, do one thing. In this year, the first and foremost important things, the most powerful ingredient is being honest with yourself. So please practice self-honesty. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much, everyone.